Hey guys, Jeff here, and I'm going to show you how to install Feed the Beast for your computer. So what you need to go to is this website right here. I'll probably put a link in the descriptions for you to do this. So it's feed-beast.com. Go to downloads and go to exe for Windows and draw for something else like a Mac. I already downloaded it to save some time. Just drag it on your desktop, which you go to your file, go to downloads, and wait, yeah, it should be like right here. Yeah, but I already did it. So the yep. Once you do that, you just double click it, press run. So it just wait till this is load.